Since we have 3 vehicles equipped with Ridetech rear suspension, actually, make that 4, let's go ahead and talk about 4-links and coilovers. If you've got an A-body, like this Chevelle, it came from the factory with a triangulated 4-bar rear suspension system that rides excellent. But if you've got something like this Tri-5 Chevy, 1st Gen Camaro, or even an OBS pickup, it came from the factory with leaf springs. The ride quality is choppy, the handling is less than ideal, and there's no way to adjust leaf springs to get the car nice and low. So while leaf springs are a throwback to the horse and buggy days, a well-engineered 4-link will give you much better ride quality and improved traction as well. Adjustability is a major benefit. These collars allow you to fine-tune your car's ride height, while these knobs help you fine-tune your car's shock absorbers. The spring in a coilover is easy to swap out if you have to make a rate change. The coil spring suspends the vehicle off the ground, while the links locate the axle and provide the range of motion. Because a leaf spring is trying to do both of these functions at the same time, handling, ride quality, and traction are compromised. So by isolating these 2 important functions, a 4-link gives you much better performance than a leaf spring. Better handling, better ride quality, better traction. For articulation, Ridetech invented the R-joint. It's a stainless steel rod end that features a composite inner cage for extremely high wear resistance and low friction. R-joints have a much longer service life than your typical rod end. That really matters on a street car. One last consideration, Ridetech designs its 4-links so that they bolt into the suspension pickup points wherever possible, and with cross members that bolt directly to the frame rails. That saves a lot of time during the installation process. In some cases, you may need to weld the axle side brackets directly to the axle housing, like on this Tri-5. Here at Kilgore Kustoms, we typically install Ridetech 4-links as part of a complete front and rear coilover suspension conversion. That includes tubular upper and lower control arms that revise your suspension geometry, spindles, coilovers, and a heavy-duty front sway bar. If your muscle car or hot rod has leaf springs, replacing them with a 4-link is one of the best upgrades you can make. Tires that stay planted to the road with a much more supple, comfortable ride quality, and adjustability that you simply cannot achieve with leaf springs. Ridetech suspension systems are available for purchase at KilgoreCustoms.com. We can also install the system for you here in our shop and help you dial in your existing system as well. Thanks for watching.